How to export chat history on Telegram. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to export chat history on Telegram. This is a handy feature if you want to save old conversations or transfer them to another device. So to export chat history on Telegram, you'll need the Telegram desktop app installed on your computer. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the official Telegram website. Alright, let's export chat history on Telegram. First, open the Telegram desktop app. Find the chat conversation you want to export. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the chat window. From the menu, select Export Chat History. A new window will pop up with some options. Here you can choose what kind of content you want to include in the export, like photos, videos, voice messages, and video messages. You can set a limit on the overall size of the exported file. This is helpful if you're worried about storage space. File whose size is higher than the limit will not be exported. Once you've selected your options, click the Export button. The export process might take a while depending on the size of your chat history. When it's finished, Telegram will show you a notification. You can also click Show in Folder to open the location where the exported file is saved. To see your chat history, simply open this file. That's it! Now you know how to export your chat history on Telegram. And this is how to export chat history on Telegram. If you have any questions about exporting chat history on Telegram, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.